Why would I lie to you? 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 Live RyanMac. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Why would I lie to you? Hey, let's go. TWB, think with Bookmaps, baby. Let's get it. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Alex guys, you are trading on liquidity and order flow. You gotta know the flow. Live setups, bro, that's all you need. Pro insights, how you get them profits. Cash beats on the beat. Late shift, blue light, all night. TWB on. If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teaches that. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Moms, dads, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with Bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
All right,
If you're still here, you're part of the song.
we're off to the races.
Follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teaches that. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Moms, dads, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community. Scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the lie. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with Bookmaps. Follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow.
Good morning.
TWB fam checking in each night.
So what do you do when you're on your own channel?
Small dream of getting
Probably have like one person watching, maybe two.
Think with Bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. Stand it. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
All right. All right. Let's see if we go up. Just want to check on something real quick on QQQ. As I thought 620.33 is the target. As I thought. Yep. Yeah, we could retest 25,671 and then go get lower. What's up, Echo? What's happening? Makati. Philippines. Nice. That's awesome, man. I'm glad you made it. Gotta like and subscribe. Just, you know, you did it all. I was just the inspiration in the mind. That's all. That's all I see it as. I think we're gonna go up. We're gonna go get this 670-ish. We could reject there though, violently. We got about 3 minutes before market open. So I'm curious to see if 671 continues or we go to pivot. This is a brand new channel, so it's got nothing. It's got nobody. It's got nothing going on it. All right, we got about a minute and a half. We got the Macdicator right there at 671. I think we do go get it, but I don't know. Like last night I wanted it to pump and I was trying to buy it down here. And everybody's like, "Why are you trying to go long?" I go, "Cause that." But I didn't have that at the time. And then we dumped off and visited this low. So maybe spread the word and PI for me, huh? I know Filipinos like to support Filipinos. Should get a and teach you how to trade. All right. We got about 10 seconds. We are open for business. kind of figured we'd run up. Question is that we're gonna hit a ceiling right here at 25,670. Wow, straight to the moon. Rejected. Dang. Yeah, that's what I thought. 670 rejection. What's the current? What's that? We're up $2. Can we move 6 today? Can we move 6? Can we get back down there? That you. Big old gap down there. 13. I think it's gonna work. I think we go lower. Yeah. Two. All right. Just kind of bearish on the day today. Volume's thick to the downside. I could go to 622. Ooh. Hmm. Trap. I think this is going lower. Echo, I'm doing options. I gotta stay. I gotta take a break from futures for a moment. But oh, man. It's okay, dude. Yeah, you're fine. I know it's $1 for a Whopper out there. Hey, 60-hour trader, how's it going? Good morning. Let's see what we can do. I think we're going to go lower. We have some things that we need to take care of lower. But not much lower. And if it does go lower, it's going to be a shock. What do we got for news today? Oh, man. Let's see, we got Tuesday. ISM services, PMI, JOLTS job openings is on tomorrow. We don't have much. We don't have anything today, really. It might go lower to go higher tomorrow. That's a good thing. Good question. Yeah, we're making new lows. I got a feeling today we're gonna lose some money. Come back to 577.25. At least that's the minimum target for a pullback. We'll look to see what the VWAP holds with the 200 EMA. It's got support there, 625. So it looks like we're running through it. The ES is finding support there as well. Let's see if we reject the POC one more time in this 5 and 9 EMA. You went to sleep at 4 a.m. 60 hour. Oof. I hear my kids getting ready for school. I got some issues here. $25,625. Are we going for it? It's got 80 contracts resting there. If we break it, it's gonna be epic. Yeah, it did. All right, we're on the VWAP. Let's see if we bounce. It's just dumping off here. Oh no, we pulled back real quick. Bounced. Like I said, the target would be 577.50. Options are filling up below. Bouncing off of 12. 10. Oh, we're gonna destroy it. Still coming down. Is that the bounce right off of VWAP? Oh, they're protecting it there. My goodness. Wow, we got 721 lots up there. 650. Gonna go get it. And we're gonna continue lower. Rejecting this 634. Might hit that 650 and then reject it. That's already finding weakness as it approaches it. Oh, there it is. It's trying to filled it. Ooh-wee. Hard to believe that 608 is the low, 608.25 is the low. But it could be. It could be that low to go long. That's a lot of momentum to come back up. So either we continue to pump or we fall. But right now, we'll see how it operates. Nah, that was VWAP. VWAP bounce. Anybody go along at VWAP? Bummer. We're not coming down yet. Sheesh. Not a bad 100 points there. Just touched the VWAP and went straight up. What do we got left? What do we have left? 707.75. I said we could have went to 622. Hmm. 25,701. Here we go. I'm a little weary here at 704. Found a lot of resistance there to dump us off. Every time we came up to this price, we've always dumped off. So, but that's pretty much a pretty good momentum. Right back up. Shoots right up. Are we turning around? Is this it? Is this the sell for 100 points? Back down? Or is this the flag to stay higher, to go higher? It's going higher. I mean, we've seen this before though. Come up, down, come back, test, back up. It's a series of up and downs. It doesn't just go straight down. It doesn't go straight up either. Sometimes it does. But double top in 718.25. Breaking pivot. We got Nvidia green. Microsoft is green. Google's not bad. Amazon, that was up. Rusty's up. It's just NQ and QQQ. Up. Straight up. All right, we're gonna be looking for a balance soon. Let's see. Looking for that rejection support. All right, so this is important right here. This right here is very important. This is where it's gonna find support. These buyers, these sellers, or break down from this area. As you just saw, we're coming back on the 1 minute, 15-minute here, straight up. 30-minute candles about to close in 7 minutes. Rejecting the 30-minute pivot. 15, we broke that pivot. The 5-minute, we broke that pivot. 1 minute, we broke it, but it doesn't mean we'll stay above it or hold it. So this area right here is what's gonna hold it. So if we come back into it, we can come back a little lower into it, or we can go like this and dump. So but we get past this area here, these candles, it's all the way back down, because that is what's going to rip it down, even though it was only 3 minutes. In the meantime, we're still bullish. We got 433 lots up there. 25, 7, 62, 50. This will fall faster than it went up, obviously, but he's in the Philippines, 60-hour trader. He just went there recently. He's on vacation. Let's see, look at the 5, 15, 30, 1 hour. Wow, 4-hour candles about to close. Wow. Okay. All right. Go higher. We have to go higher. Find a ceiling here. Nice little pump up. Nothing really to catch this but 700. Like I said, right here. Just wants to come back. All right, top of the hour. Looks like they excited to move this higher. Got 216 resting orders up there. Rejecting to 775. Pretty sure though, we'll go get it. A pretty bullish day. 690 on the SPY. Look at them. Ow, look at that. Straight to the freaking moon. It's one way to do it. SPX. Look at that. SPX. Rejecting a gap up there. Yes. Pivot. It's beautiful. 60 hour. Very beautiful in some parts for sure. Make sure you take a tour guide. But you know people who are part of the Philippines, so you know you're gonna get robbed or loss of life. You might as well get loss of life with somebody you know, right? No, I'm kidding. No, it's the Philippines is for the most part with tourists pretty good. They do have things in place, but they don't they've gotten better, is what I guess I would say. More they're not third world anymore, are they anymore? Echo, right? I think they're like second world now. Rather than they're trying to be a first world country, but they're working on it. The president that was in there recently, they actually they took out a lot of the drug lords. I think that's what I heard last. They were chasing and taking out. What time is it right now, Echo? What time is it there? I gotta be right back. Hang tight. 11:05 p.m. That's another thing too. In PI, it's like 11:05 p.m. Oh, we had a warm night last night, and then it froze. So what happened was that everything in the driveway, and I have a 45-degree driveway, just froze like an ice rink. So I had to go out and salt it real quick. And it's like 31 degrees, so it's melting, but I think this is it, guys. I think this is it. I think we hit the ceiling. Very interesting setup though. I want to see if it comes back to break 720, 725, 677. I want to see if we go lower. We'll see. But it might be a while. It'll take all day. Could be wrong. Listen to some music. Boom. Let's listen to some music.
If you still hear, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with bookmaps, trust that check. Slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teaches that. If you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Mom's, dad's grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cause trades a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
Well, we're up here in 25,750. Inverse head and shoulders. We're gonna go higher. Full flag.
Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we
Or
trade
lower.
futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting
I think
for.
you have the right idea, 60-hour trader.
Everybody's favorite community, the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps.
Yeah, we're almost there anyway.
Think with Bookmaps community.
I mean, unless it's had enough and wants to go lower. I think you're in the right thought process. I thought up 2 this morning for the first part of the morning, and then maybe a 55.75 retest. It can go lower. I mean, last night I wanted it to go up, and it proved to me it did until it didn't. But I obviously didn't treat it right. I didn't trade it right. You can watch my recap there. So what's gold at? Hold at 489. We're almost at the 4,500. Well, not bad. What's silver at? $80. Wow. All right, silver. Go, 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 go. Sheesh. Why is the market up? Is the dollar just dropping like crazy? What's the Dixie at? Dixie. Where's the Dixie? Even the dollar's increasing in value. Interesting. Something don't seem right. It just doesn't feel right, doesn't look right, doesn't smell right. I'm happy it's going up, but something's not right. You know what's funny is puts haven't on QQQ haven't given up entirely. They haven't they're not showing that it wants to pump higher. by reducing in value as fast. The thetas and the gammas and the Greeks right now are not showing that it wants to keep moving higher because they're holding value at strikes that are way out of the money. So we'll see. No, not QQQ to 800, 8 NQ to 25,800. We got 182 lots up here that it's teasing right now. At 778, 777. It's a slot machine. Yeah, we're having some issues here in this bull flag. Tempted. Like we're supposed to be shooting up. But we're teasing and rejecting. I'd go short here, long here, short here, long here, short here, long here. Just do it. Just do it. Hmm. Man, well, there's just this slow chop back and forth within 10 points. Just back and forth in there. Him and Han, if we go higher or lower. We've got the bottom of the hour at the moment. Just looking at these 30-minute candles, we're just right up to this pivot. We do have a big sizable gap up there. 26, 25.98, 982, sorry, and 26.084. It's a big gap. Maybe even, I mean, question is when will we repair it? When will we repair it? Are we falling? Take a quick break.
If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teaches that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Mom's, dad's grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right. Everybody's favorite community, the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Yeah.
Alrighty,
Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that though you get
Got enough bulls trapped or what? So if this wants to like dump off, we have this here that we need to watch for. It could channel there for a while. So let's pay attention to that. This box right there, we'll yellow it out. I guess Trump is speaking today. Can you help me out with homework? All right, this is probably gonna dump off. Nice little curl. Wouldn't be shocked if it did one of these. Does it all the time. Otherwise, it just dumps.
My bad, this fucking screen.
Don't look that bad. All right, let's see. It's just me in here now. This doesn't have a enough momentum to go lower. My goodness. With Trump talking today, I think he'll do something.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of icebergs here, a lot of buying and selling. Told you these buyers and sellers here at this price is going to be struggle. Jump right through it. Yeah. 60-hour trader, it's going to be moving. We know that. It's going to be moving. It's going to move. And, you know, like, question is what is it trying to do right now? Right now, we're breaking through 700, or at least retesting it. I think we'll be stuck in this area for a bit. Obviously, we got the 200 and the VWAP here crossing. Wow. They got out. Yep. 700. Oh, wow. Ripping through it. Pivot was a sell. Nice. Trump blocked out. Like it was a trip to the liquor store. That's funny, Echo. I don't, that doesn't make any sense to me. We go capture him and bring him back to America to charge him. Since when do we start capturing presidents or dictators? It's like, what? Really? And Trump was just waiting for an opportunity to be like, I got more power than you. Ready to go. Just, I don't know. I don't know what he's trying to prove. I mean, you know how many memes? You know how many memes we can come up with? Don't worry, our president will get yours. There's just so many memes you can come up with this new idea that we can just run into other people's countries and just take their presidents like they're nothing and rob them fools. You know what I mean? Like, what the heck? Oh, we just burst through that. Down to the VWAP on the Macdicator here. And let's see if we bounce. Right then and there, it was good to buy put options. 778. We have nothing down here holding this price up except for VWAP, or the idea of VWAP. So, yeah. So
You have
yeah, just wonder if we fall the rest of the day.
my second hour.
I wonder if we fall the rest of the day. It is what it is. Yeah, you know, that's just it. When it comes down to it, if a superpower doesn't want someone else to become a superpower, oh, then they can control that. They don't know how to just be a superpower, you know? A lot of people don't know or think. Like, yeah, I might have only 2 people in here besides my, watching. Appreciate your support. But it's all in politics. It's who wants to. It's like I'm either willing to push through to get this channel going, or I can't quit and give up. You know, and Venezuela could have been a superpower, but they didn't know how to structure anything properly. You know. I mean, honestly, just structure it properly. You get it going. So what do you think? We go back to open? Do we go back to open? Do we go back to low of day? This is looking kind of heavy. I mean, Venezuela has oil. Okay, cool. Now they have oil. They could sell it. But again, I'm not the head of that country. You know, what they needed to do was capitalize on building the structure of people rather than be a dictator, you know, start paying the military. You know, you want to build your country. You gotta promote something there, you know? I mean, just like America, Uncle Sam wants you and pay them. You know, that's the base structure of anything. Not that I'm saying military is the way, but I'm saying you gotta find a way to pay your people in exchange for time and money. But and then of course then you build their trust and you pay them, and then you make sure that you have the proper things in place to keep everything moving. You know, I mean, this is why the cartels have it so good. Not to speak about the cartels, but their structure is there. But when you have a country and stuff like that, you gotta cater to the people. Not that I say I can do it better. I cannot do it better. That's why I'm not a president, eh? Yeah. Well, I mean, the thing is, here's the thing. China's over there. We're over here. We're gonna do what we want. They're gonna do what they want. All right. Just gonna finally give up here. Let's see if this thing gives up this area right here. Just fall through the box, huh? We have nothing down there till 550. And you think we make it to 610? We could go to 610. Man, that would be epic if we went to 608 today. But I doubt that it moved that fast, that far today. It could happen. You know, should I just count backwards from 1 billion? Make this stream famous? You know? 900,999,999,999. The only one watching is me. Do some like aerobics while trading. We go back to 725.
Get toilet paper down here.
Jumping off. Back to low of day. Retest. We'll see. We'll see if we break this box and just keep rolling down. Like to see a $5 dump on QQQ. Just let it go. Let it go. Right at 25,650. Currently 1108. Make a higher low. We tested 640. Start getting nervous to go short if it breaks the low of day and continues. We got 502 contracts up there. Ooh. Something's happening. Trying to bring price up. Look at that. It moved. Yeah, they're just spoofing it. Oh, not much action today. Huh? Oh. Captured 396. Orders there. I'm trying to bring it back up to 6,700. What's QQQ look like? Let's look at QQQ. How many gaps do we have up here? Oh yeah, we're gonna go back to 621, 64 maybe. Unless we reject this pivot, reject the 200 and come lower. Back in the 15-minute. We'll see if it comes down. We'll see if it goes up.
Test workout.
Need to promote this page. One second. See, I drew up that box so we can see it kind of bounce and reject between the top and bottom. Oh, we got stacked orders up there. And a iceberg right here at this price. We took it. Took the iceberg. Rejected the VWAP and the 200 EMA. You come back to it? Do we go to POC? 650. Looks heavy. Hmm. 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 Right back. All right. It looks like I know why the NQ bounced down there. We had 11-cent gap. That's 618.58. Just ran into it, bounce, hit that pivot. Now we're here floating around this pivot on QQQ. Going back up. About ready to start counting backwards from a billion. Like Mr. Beast. Need to be more lively, I think. This chart isn't doing it. uh yeah. I wonder if Lucid would give me something here. Let's see. Let's send Lucid a email. Yeah, small scalps do add up. 60 hour. I mean, nothing wrong with that. Oof, that was a reversal. Are we gonna finally fall below the VWAP? Is this what I think it is? Ooh, head and shoulders. Let's measure this. We got the top here, the bottom here. We got this top here. This thing can go all the way back to 25,568. Jeez. All right, then let's see. Let's watch it. It's gonna just stay above this box and this box area. Hmm. It's a range day. Got no news. S&P Global Services PMI. That was this morning. So there's really nothing going on today. Tomorrow they have jolts. Tomorrow. Jolts. Jolts tomorrow. I don't know. Not gonna do much. It's not gonna do much of anything. Be right back. I wonder if you know how there's a thumbs down for um YouTube. I wonder if you can get the most thumbs down rather than, you know, the most thumbs up. Kind of play the reverse psychology of YouTube. Well, you know.
He was a get out.
I'm gonna take a quick break. Quick break. We'll see. Let me see something real quick. You know, 60 hour, I'm not even really concerned about getting subscribers, I guess. This whole idea came from obviously TWB, so but it would be something to see if we can get the most dislikes. That'd be interesting. Fun facts, right?
Why does it matter? School's shutting down anyways.
I'm back. All right, we filled the gap up here. 25.7636. Usually after we've kind of take out all the imbalances, we change direction. So short? Maybe. For a little bit. You know, 60-hour trader, I don't really, like may have said it before, maybe you didn't hear me, but I'm not trying to make this channel blow up. Why? I don't know. Just kind of going with the flow. I'm supposed to be here, I guess. Supposed to be doing this. If it becomes good, good. If it's bad, bad. I don't care. You know, it's kind of one of those. I'm either accepted or I'm spat out. Right? Like, I wonder though, like if you get too many dislikes, will they ban your channel? Is that the question? I don't know. It's gotta be some sort of like dislike. I dislike this thing so much that it's famous for being the most dislikes. Why not? Gotta be famous for something. Infamous, famous, whatever. I'm kidding. I'm not trying to be famous. I'm only on YouTube because, well, I was doing it for the Macdicator. Was doing it for TWB. Doing it because I was bored. Was doing it. You know, if I count backwards from 1 billion, I might become the next beast. That's how he started. It's like I have all the tags in. I don't know. Yeah. And you know what? I'm really not even promoting on RMTWB. So, I mean, I'm not like on their chat saying, come to my channel. Because now it's my own channel. It's not Alex's channel, you know? So. That's just it. If it was, I would want Alex to post that up. You know, go to Ryan's channel versus um mm, maybe I would say maybe yes. He might be cruising the streets of Manila right now. I mean, everybody's got their own thing. I mean, I sit here and do this full time, so why not? Just stream. Although I do like the setup, like I think it's clean. Pretty clean. Easy to read. Something, you know, not maybe what I like other people won't like. So the only exposure I'll get is Discord. Like I could go into the live stage on the Discord and promote this, but then everybody just was like, I'd rather watch it on the Discord. You know? It's lame. Tomorrow we'll dump. Tomorrow we'll dump. Besides. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. Hmm. 60-hour trader. I think that I was trying, like, again, I was trying to go long last night in my head, and it was still proving me to go short. And then when it finally went long, it just destroyed it all the way back up to 672 from 53. So 100 points. And then we obviously dump off real fast here. Test the low. Came back up. Went high. Dumped off and then went back up to high of day. So, I mean, war is bullish. Venezuela, all this other stuff, that's bullish. The idea of oil, but really, ultimately, again, buy the hype, sell the news. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Buy the hype, sell the news. But broke the high, session high, back to 25.8. Because, I mean, oil is speculation, right? They're only speculating Venezuela oil. They're not even, like, announcing it. Well, the reason why we took Venezuela is because oil. I really think that when it comes down to it, it's not just they're not. The president's just saying, "Well, we're going to charge them with crimes here in America." I don't know how I completely think and feel about that, nor do I care, but it makes no sense. It's like one country's president goes after another country's president, brings them back to charge him with criminal charges. For what? He hasn't even been here. So he's a criminal to the world? That's what I'm trying to figure out. That's what I'm trying to think. Well, that's what I'm trying to wrap my mind around. Like, well, what somebody does in a different country, we can prosecute them here in America like they did it on our soil. You know, we can't control what other people do, other powers in the world. It's like, sure, you can't just go off and drop a nuke somewhere and not have repercussions of it and cause a war. But what I'm trying to say is that, like, now we're just going in and cuffing presidents and sending them back to the US. Like, where does that state that our laws have no boundaries? Because we don't, apparently. It's like, break a crime in the world, across the world, and be a political leader or dictator, whatever it is, and then what? We come in and say, hey, you can and can't do this now because we have the power to do it. He sends drugs into our country. Okay. You know what? Just because he's a shot caller doesn't mean that he's doing it. You know what I mean? It's like, sure, the person, it's he sends drugs into our country. He sends drugs. So he's writing down the addresses and stuff like that to send them to the distributors here. Right. His hands are clean. Right. His hands are clean, though. He allows. Sends or allows? That's the question. That is the question. Allowing something to happen and sending and doing something are two different things. He sends drugs into our country. Okay. Yeah. He allows, he sends. And do I think it's a bad thing? I think that he'll be dead regardless. He's a dead man walking if he doesn't allow it. And either way, he's screwed. See, and we can't control that. You know, obviously we got to understand the presidents and stuff like that from other countries. They're owned by, they can be bought. So allowing or sending are two different things. He's actually walking them across the border himself? No, I don't think so. You know what I mean? That's why I'm trying to wrap my head around it. Like, he allows. Because he's not walking them into the country. He's not crossing borders with them. Venezuela. Where is Venezuela? Where is it on the map? I want to look at this real quick. World map. He allows. Dude's in South America. Oh my gosh, you literally have to go across open water or through Mexico to get it all through there. Like, he allows. So does China, so does China, everything else. Everyone else. It's a oh my gosh, it's so funny. It's so funny. That's why I'm laughing. It's like, dude, we're gonna charge him with crimes here in the U.S. for allowing, like, if they get here from South America, and they're supposed to be here, unfortunately. Just saying, not for it, but if things, if it moves that far across the world to get here, he didn't walk him across the border. Not that I'm saying I'm for this guy. Not that I'm saying I'm for any of that. I'm not at all. No. What I'm saying is logically thinking, do we have him on a recording saying, you need to bring us to America? I mean, I don't know why he just doesn't conquer everything below. You know, he's at the tip of South America. I mean, poor or not, there's contraband in prisons, and they still move it there for the cheapest price there is. So, I mean, that's my thought process. Like, you know, I mean, allows or turns a blind eye. Can you go to jail for turning a blind eye? Sure. You're an American citizen, but when you're the president of Venezuela and you're a dictator, not that I'm trying to be political about all this, but I mean, like, it's a topic to talk about. I don't care. It doesn't affect me. Right, let's put everything on America to take care of youth. I don't. I got 7 kids. I don't trust America to do jack daily squat for them. And then America continues to fail our youth. I mean, I don't even want to really go there, per se, on what I expect the country to do for our youth. You know? kind of one of those things. And maybe we went too deep into the idea of, well, why are we going across countries? Why don't we just nuke them all? Why not? Exactly. We should just go into every country and take out every president and just become the world leader and one world leader, right? We need it. It'll do our whole world good. We're worried about the borderlands of the west coast of California and the east coast of Florida, all the way to New York, back down to, you know, or back up to Washington State. No, 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 no. Right. Exactly. You know? And then, of course, Alaska. We should just take out Canada and control that too. I mean, it's more than just the Latinos bringing contraband into America. It's every race. It's every country. It's every single thing. Shoot, they're doing it in backyards. They're growing it, or they're producing it in houses across America. You know, not just allowing it into our country. You can go create that stuff in your garage. Might blow up, but you know, the person, the adults that are addicted to it are failing, I would say. Their kids, because their own desire to want to do things. And that's, what is that, a privilege, a right? You know? So yeah, we have a war on contraband right now across the. We don't want people coming into this country unless they're legal. We don't want them to, you know, walk on this land. So I just understand that and know that, like, I'm just trying to wrap my mind around it in the concept of just what gives us the right to go into someone else's country and steal their president, kidnap them, hold them under charges, whatever you want to call it, take them out of their place of home, whatever, for whatever reason. That's what I'm trying to understand. That's all. You know, and I'm grown. I understand military, been in it, done it, but I don't understand the concept of, you allow something. I allow the birds to eat through my, you know, or the chipmunks to eat through my trash can. Why? Because I can't stop it. But should I go get the squirrel and pull him out of his home and shoot him? I'm not trying to talk about shooting squirrels, but I'm just saying, should I punish him because I allow it? I don't know. Just trying to understand it. Trying to be like, well, hey, if we can do that, we can go in other people's country and just take their leader, or so-called self-proclaimed leader, whatever it is that they're doing, and say, we have right to do so. Okay. All right, who's going to stop us? China going to stop us? No. Russia going to stop us? No. Africa going to stop us? No. Mexico going to stop us? No. There's everybody niching at the bit to get back into that spot, you know, right? You know, one leader falls, another one rises. You vote one out of office, another one gets voted in. gonna be that way. Caring, you know, it's you think that that's all gonna stop? No. You think, oh, the president of Venezuela is gone, so let's rise to power. Of course, they're gonna do that. You know. Think the CEO of Apple is gonna just disappear, or the next person's gonna move in after he's gone? Right? I mean, common sense wise, sure, we could show that we flex our power. We've done it in Venezuela already, so we can do it again forever. No matter what regime we have, whatever dictatorship, whatever, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We can do it a million times now. Now the other countries are looking at it and going, man, they just took Venezuela's POTUS. Or no, not POTUS, but president of Venezuela. So POV. Victor Pov. And then, you know, Mexico's looking over the freaking fence going, man, is that going to happen to us? Everybody in South America. Is that going to happen to us? They have bigger bombs, they have bigger missiles, and they have an army, and they have the dollar. We run the world. We're the military. We're the police of the world. That's what we are. That's what we're doing. And that's something I didn't sign up for when I joined the military. It's to be the world police. I mean, we're literally treating each country as its own person. And we're like walking around thinking that we can just handcuff persons in it because they allow. So, I don't know. Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense to me. You know, I don't get it. And I'm not mad about it. I'm not even frustrated about it. Just trying to make sense of it. That's all. Yeah, I'll probably sit in this YouTube for years before I get like anything going. Yeah, I understand 60 hour for sure. I understand. They're happy, you know, that person is gone. It's they're happy that he's gone. Cool. I mean, a lot of people would be happy that Trump goes, and a lot of people wouldn't be. It'd be a 50-50 thing, you know? You know, typically elections are won by like a couple thousand people or electoral votes, couple electoral votes. You know, I know this last election was a landslide, but a little bit, but you know, we're leaning towards, but that's just it. It's kind of moves in its own way. You know? I mean, when I know that, like, I guess that's why probably Trump wants to talk, is because he wants to talk about Venezuela. And doesn't he talk today? I think he talks today. His Trump speech? What time is that at? I think he talked today earlier already. Oh, it's not even, it's supposed to be soon. No? It already happened.
Got that movie done.
I think that's it for the day, though. I hope you have a good one, 60-hour trader. I'm going to call it. And you all have a good night. Whoever else is watching in the near future. Peace.
Gas beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah, charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline, the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. WB taught me how to trade and lead. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill, master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with book maps, feel that pace. WB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Yeah, think with book maps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.